Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and change your Steam's account name. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you want to do is simply go ahead and open Steam on your PC. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page, which is the store right over here. So now you want to simply go ahead and click over here where your profile name is right over here, and now you want to click on view my profile. Once you have clicked on that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you want to simply go ahead and click on edit profile. And finally, once you are here, you can simply go ahead and edit it right over here. As you can see, you can change it to anything you want, as you can see. And now all you have to do is just click on save, and once you click on save, it's gonna go ahead and change your name for you. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.